Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone has a working internet connection and location services enabled. This ensures accuracy. Open WhatsApp and pick the person or group you want to share with. Once the chat is open, tap the attach icon, paperclip on Android or plus on iPhone, to reveal options. You do this now to get straight to the location option. This prevents delays from switching apps later and keeps the process smooth. Now tap location in the menu that appears. You'll see two choices: send your current location or share live location. If you need others to track you while moving, choose share live location and set a duration like 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. If you only want to send a point on the map, pick send your current location. Once you tap send, WhatsApp embeds the map so recipients can open it or get directions immediately. Finish by confirming the map preview appears in the chat and that recipients can tap it to view or navigate. If the location fails to send, make sure WhatsApp has location permission, restart the app, and try again. This often fixes glitches. If coordinates look off, recalibrate your phone's GPS by toggling location services or moving to an open area. If problems continue, update WhatsApp or restart your phone before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.